Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to a series of the course Principle of Marketing, and this is me, Sir Hassan, and I'm going to start in this video from chapter number 5, and we have already covered chapter 4 chapters. If you haven't watched my previous chapter, just go and watch the complete series of 4 chapters in one video. And I have tried to make the video uh, lectures in very short and precise way, so it will be very helpful for everyone, not for the student but as well as for the marketer. And I try to discuss all those important key factors, all those important points which are necessary and the basic things for any marketer or person who want to make the career in marketing, or they are already in the marketing field. So the principle of marketing, you can say that a core or fundamental thing to understand, to learn for every person. Okay, so I don't want to waste time. Let's move toward the screen and let's see that what we are going to discuss over here. And I will going to make a 3 or 2 chapters video, a combined video. So let's move toward the screen. And we have discussed all these chapter number 1 till chapter 2, chapter number 3. We have discussed all these things. Chapter 5, chapter of microeconomics, we have done all these things, micro environments, macro environments, and chapter 4 we have covered management, marketing information. We have discussed about the MIS and about the research methods, and this is what from where we're going to start our this video. So this is a consumer market and consumer buying behavior. Chapter number 5 is okay. So this is a few things that I have made for you people to make the slides and lectures interesting and attractive. So as you can see over here, we're going to discuss about the consumer buying behavior, social factors and cultural factors. We are going to discuss about the classes and also the personal factors over here. So this is the things. The first topic of 5.1 is like characteristics affecting consumer behavior. As according to the diagram, according to the pictures I've already pasted at the back of the slide. So first topic is like cultural factors. Cultural factors means like most basic cause of behavior, value, perceptions, preferences learned from family and society. Example, the eat, gift, buying. So what's that? It's like cultural factors. Consumer used to buy culturally. Okay, next thing is like subculture. What's that? Smaller groups within culture, nationalist, religions, race, geographic regions. Example, like we talk about example like Karachi youth versus rural Punjab consumers. So they have different buying behavior. We're talking about the subculture of it. Okay, mean to say urban and rural. Okay, next we have social class. What's that? Group sharing similar values and behaviors. Like we have in social classes, we talk about, as you can see over here the diagram, like we have the higher class, we have the middle class, we have the lower class, and last we have the undervalued class. So what's that? It's talking about the social classes. Next we have social factors, means reference groups. What that? Groups that influence attitudes, membership groups like family, friends, and aspirational groups like celebrities, influencers. Mean to say, in social factor or reference group, we are mainly talking about the people whom we are most connected with. Mean to say, like mostly people used to follow the influencers, they like celebrities, they try to copy those people. So what they come in the category of, they come in the category of social factors. Okay, next we have the personal factor. What's personal factor is like your age, your life cycle stage, occupation, your economical situation, how much you earn, money you are earning. Okay, like lifestyle, personality. Like me to say, let's discuss with the example, a 25 years old buys differently than 50 years old person. Okay, the person who is under the age of 25, he have different buying perception, different buying choices, as compared to if you talk about the person who is under the age of 50, he or she is going to buy differently with the different mindsets. Okay, let's move toward um, a very important topic we're going to talk about in this chapter. Consumer behavior is the Maslow hierarchy, or you can say Maslow hierarchy theory of motivation. What's that? Let's discuss this over here with the help of diagram. We have psychographical need first thing, second is safety need, what the people need, third thing is the love, belongings, fourth is the esteem, and last is the self-actualization. What's that? Let's see over here. Like psychographical means you can say the basic needs. Just discuss over here in detail. In Maslow, what's the Maslow talking about? Peoples are motivated by the needs in order like psychographically safety, social, esteem, and self-actualization. Okay, this is all what inside Maslow tell us about. You can also see over here in psychographical need, the first is mean what are the basic needs like air, water, shelter, sleeps. This is the basic need for the human. Second stage is like you can say that the safety needs mean like people need what the personal security, they're looking for their jobs, employment, resources, they need the property, health. So this is the safety needs. Third thing is the law, like social needs. Social needs, or you can say your belongings, your loved ones, okay, like friendship, your family, or you can say that your connection with the people. Okay, fourth, you can say that the stage is esteem. What's that mean to say? You need the respect, self-esteem, status, recognitions, strength, and freedom. Let's talk about it. And last is like number fifth is like self-actualization. What's that? Desire to become the most one that can be. You need to be most famous person in the society among that. Okay, you need some any kind of name. Other people can just recall you with the personality name. Okay, so this is what the Maslow hierarchy of motivations tells you. Next we have like perceptions, learning, belief and attitude, lifestyles. Let's see over here perceptions, how people select, organize, and interpret information. Two people can see ads, they perceive it differently. Mean to say every person have different points of view, points of thinking, or you can say that perception. They have different perception. Mostly people, some people think about positively, some people think about negatively. Every person have different perceptions. Okay, second is learning. Okay, change in behavior arising from experiences. Good experience means repeat purchasing. Okay, if you any brand give a positive impact on the purchasing of the people, so what they are doing, they are impacting a repetition of they're giving what they have learned, like this product is a good, so they are giving a positive impact. So what thing that it gives the long impact on the purchasing power of the people. Okay, next we have like beliefs and attitudes. What's that? What consumers think about the product, attitude, consistent, favorable, unfavorable, hard to change attitudes. It's very hard to change people's attitude. That some people are you can say that they want to buy that thing, so they're definitely going to buy that thing. If they decide not to buy that thing, so they will not going to decide going to buy that thing, even though that product is very much great in quality, everything. But attitude of people are different. Every person have different attitude. Okay, we talk about the belief. We have already discussed lifestyle, like AIO. What does mean? Activity, interest, opinion. These are the three things. Marketers target lifestyle, example health conscious lifestyles, organic foods marketing. So this is what psychographically factors of affecting the human behaviors. Next we have over here you can see the topic, which is like as you can see over here, like types of buying decision behavior. What are the complex buying behavior, dissonance reducing behavior, habitual buying behavior, variety seeking behavior, impulse buying behavior. So like complex, as you can see over here with the diagram over here, like complex buying behavior, people are confused in buying the things. Okay, second is dissonance reducing, means people just have different things, they just buy 1 2 3 selected, even though without any research work. Okay, Third thing is a variety selecting buying, like they have different varieties, like different flavors. If you just go to the shop, you want to buy the chips, so the Lays, even though the Lays have different 3 flavor 4 flavors, so they have people have the different variety. Next is habitual buying. People are habitual of buying the different things, especially the females. You can see also in the diagram, the females are the habitual of buying. Everyone, they need some different clothes and lots of things. And the impulse buying behavior is like you just went to the supermarket with the having of the list, and you just see something over here in the shelf, like at the shelf on my backside you can see the shelf, and you don't have that thing in that list, but suddenly you see the product, you just your brain say okay, you buy. Suddenly you buy that, you even though you were not decided to buy that product, but the thing, you just see the product and suddenly you buy. Okay, that's known as the impulse buying behavior. Okay, so this is what I have explained in all these points. You can also go through with it. Okay, next let's move toward the next slide, which is we have to talk about buying decision process. So what are the buying decision process? First of all, need recognition. Second is information search. Third thing is evaluation of alternatives. Fourth thing is purchase decision, and the fifth is post purchase behavior. Post purchase behavior, so what are they? Need recognition means to say uh, you talking about what identify the problem. So where the problem you are just recognizing, so you identify that if I talk about I'm hungry, so I need the food. So what, it's a problem for my stomach that right now I'm hungry. Okay, I just explain all these things with the help of example of the food. Okay, let's see, a consumer recognize a problem or need trigger internally. Hunger example, I give you all the example of hunger, or external ads or phone. The journey begins from here. Recognition, the journey buying decision process begin. We have like 5 stages. First stage is recognition. Second stage is like search information. You're hungry, you're finding like where you can find the food. Okay, consumer look for information, personal sources, friends, commercial ads, public, over, like it starts searching that from where we going to find the best food over. Okay, third thing is evaluating of alternative. Okay, I have decided to eat the zinger burger. Okay, I decided to eat the junk food, the burger. Okay, for the burger, I'm just looking for like what the best burger, from where I can get the best burger. So I'm evaluating the alternatives, I'm finding for the alternative thing. Now moving toward the fourth stage, like the consumer choose the product. Now fourth stage, purchase decision. I have choose it. First start from where, like idea, or you can say that recognition, my basic need, I'm hungry. Second thing, and starting information, that like what should I need, what should I eat. Okay, I've decided information, selecting the, or you can say that the getting the, or searching the information. Third thing is like evaluation of the alternative, from where I get the best burger. And number you can say the fourth, purchase. I decide okay, I can buy from the McDonald's or from the KFC or the kebabjis. Okay, so I just choose I just buy the product from there. Number fifth is like the post purchase. If I like that product, if I like that zinger burger, if I just selected the KFC or McDonald's, if I select that thing, so I will definitely going to if I okay, I just buy. In number 4, if they give me the great value, a great product, so definitely I'm going to post purchase. I'm definitely going to buy again. Okay, repurchase. Okay, you can say that. Okay, so this is what the buy decision process, from recognition till post purchase decision. We have the 5 stages over here. This is the what you can just see over here, example, or you can see the real world example of this, from where you can just get the thing. Okay, so this is what we have learned from the chapter number 50. Okay, I think I should stop this video. I can just make the next video of chapter number 6, chapter number 7, and separately. Okay, so this is, we have to finish from we have to finish this chapter number 5 over here. Okay, inshallah, I'll see you in the next video, and stay connected with me with this complete series of the principle of marketing. Inshallah, you will definitely going to learn a lot of interesting and informative thing in my this video, this series of lecture. And till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.